such a wonderful conference. The experience which I got today as a young orthopedic surgeon out here was amazing.
I'm really happy to be here. I'm just a second-year resident, so I'm only starting in this.
And also, I would like to thank Scientex conference for inviting me to this beautiful city.
Our organization is really perfect, and the debates were really of higher quality. I can actually say that
it was a great experience.
I'm very pleased to be here. It was a day packed with so much of experience from different fields.
Same fields of study and education, and it was very interesting for me.
Good. And how useful was this event for you?
Yeah, it was very useful. I was very interested in some topics like about the dairy products that the paper.
Yeah, my experience was quite good. So I just no direct subject to mine, but I gained actually a lot of information from different disciplinaries.